y'all, I'm back with a wig from a company that is one of my most favorite companies, but I haven't reviewed any hair from them in a while. So much so their packaging has changed and everything. Y'all know that I've been a fan of BeautyForever. Like, I have tons of videos of hair that I review for them. It's just been a minute, so I said, why not? If you are new here, my name is Jessica and I cannot comb hair, but I enjoy playing in hair and playing in makeup because it gives me the opportunity to switch up my look without it being permanent. So all I've done was take this out of its shipping packaging because I do everything on camera with y'all to be as transparent as I could possibly be about what you get when you get this unit home. So the wig came in, of course, it's DHL packaging, but inside of that, we have the wig stored inside of this bowling bag storage case, which me and my mom and my sisters, we prefer these because we can use these bags for other things. So it comes in that. And then the wig itself comes in a storage sack. The last time I reviewed hair from BeautyForever, their color was like a maroon color, so they switched. Comes in a storage sack, and then when I open up the storage sack, what else we got in here? We have the wig and some extras. The extras that they included, yeah, see, this is the color that I remember. They have an edge band with their branding on it. They have 2 packs of HD wig caps, and we have an edge brush with a rubber tip. So those are things that we will actually use. The wig that I got is a 7x5 Bye-Bye Knots wig, which y'all know I love a Bye-Bye Knots because they are easy. They are super beginner friendly. They don't come with all the rigmarole, because if I start getting stressed out about hair, I'm not doing it. Okay, so I love a Bye-Bye Knots. This one is 24 inches long, and it's a Yaki straight. Let's take it out of this plastic so we can see it up close. One day I'm gonna get that down. It seems like every video I'm struggling with this little clicker. All right, so ooh, y'all, look at the texture on this. Look how pretty that is. That is such a pretty texture on this unit. Ooh, okay, that is very, very pretty. Oh yeah, y'all, this is why I love a Bye-Bye Knots wig, because they are so easy, so beginner friendly. That's this unit right out of the pack, just on my hand, and that is very pretty. Like I said, I really love that texture. All right, so as far as the cap construction goes, my favorite cap construction, y'all already know what's in here, a drawstring. But before we get to the drawstring, here's that 7x5 parting space in the front, which I love. Like I said, it doesn't overwhelm me or stress me out like a 13x4 or 13x6. So I love a 7x5. And then we have a comb in the back. And we also, they've upgraded their glueless bands, which I do prefer this. The glueless band is now much more thinner. If you are a wig wearer, it reminds you of the adjustable straps that come in wigs normally, but that's the glueless band. It is thin. Then they have these little rivets of adhesion. Ooh, that band-aid look bad. That they're not sticky to touch, but it'll make the wig lay flat on your head. And also my favorite part, the drawstring. When I have a drawstring in a wig, I get excited because that drawstring allows me to wear a wig for the long haul without feeling like it's too tight or it's too loose, like it's about to fall off my head. The drawstring will customize this wig to fit for my head. Like it'll look good on my head, okay? So I'm excited about this wig because it is cold and I can start wearing units like this now. So what I'm gonna do is put this on my head. I'll run a flat iron through it, give you a 360, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. Be right back.
Tell me what you want.
on this wig from Beauty Forever, and this wig is a prime example of why I purchased so much Beauty Forever hair. Y'all know it's always 3 things I'm looking for: affordability, beginner friendliness, and quality. Beauty Forever is some of the most affordable human hair that you can get on the market right now, so definitely checks that box. They're constantly having sales, and they have payment options, so super affordable. Beginner friendliness, like I always tell you guys, I can't comb hair, so if I'm able to put a wig on my head like I was with the 7x5 Bye Bye Nice wig, and it looked good right out of the pack, and then if I can pull some half up, half down, and it still look good, definitely beginner friendly. If I could do that, anybody could do it, right? And then quality. I knew that the quality would be nice on this. That's because every wig that I've gotten from Beauty Forever has top-notch quality, and that's why they are in our rotation. So this is one that I definitely can recommend. If you look down in the description box, I'm gonna put a direct link to this one. If this 24 inches is too long for you guys, I have this wig from Beauty Forever in a shorter length. I want to say I have it in like a 14, or maybe it's even a 12 inch. I have it in a bob. So you can get this at a shorter length if you so choose. And you'll like it regardless on the length that you get. I love everything about this. The density, everything about this is great. So I definitely recommend this one 10 out of 10. Talk to me in the comments. Tell me what you think about this unit. Until next time, which will be very soon.